Question number 3, in matrix A, the element A, 2, 1 equals 7. The order of matrix A is a 3 by 2. Okay, matrix B is the transpose of matrix A. So matrix B could be. All right, so first things first. If order A has an order 3 by 2 and it's transposed, then B is going to be a 2 by 3. All right, so 2 rows, 3 columns. All right, so it can't be that. Right, so 2 rows, 3 columns, it's got to be that one there. We don't actually know the elements, but what we do know is that we don't know all of the elements, but we do know one element here. A21 is equal to 7. That's in the original matrix, which tells me that A12, because if you remember rows and column swap, would also have to be 7. So we're looking for the first row, second column. First row, second column, is that a 7? Nope. Is that a 7? Yes. Is that a 7? No. And in which case B would have to be my correct answer.